This is my hydrogen generator. Unfortunately, the polycarbonate cover has been broken and I replaced it with 4mm acrylic glass. On my previous hydrogen generator, it only has 3 neutral plates. Because of heating issue, I need to add more neutral plates. This is a 12 volts test. It consumes about 400 watts at 35 amps. It produces 2 liter per minute of oxyhydrogen. $320 ml of fuel. Let's see how it lasts idling at 900 rpm with hydrogen generator. This is a carburetor type 1.3 liter engine. It consumed the 320 ml of fuel for about 20 minutes. This is the test for engine idling without the hydrogen generator. It takes about 17 minutes to consume 320 ml of fuel. I just wondered here if I could use higher voltage with a lot of neutral plates. It consumes 1000 watts of power at 16 amps and produce about 6 liters per minute of oxyhydrogen. This time, I increased the RPM of the engine from 900 RPM to 2000 RPM because at 60 volts, hydrogen generator makes a lot of heat but it can produce a lot of oxyhydrogen. So I need to finish the test sooner. It lasts about 5 minutes for 320 ml of fuel. $320 ml of fuel, idle for 2000 RPM without oxyhydrogen. It only lasts about 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Here is my thoughts. Hydrogen generator can possibly used to reduce our fuel consumption, but the amount of power you need to use to operate the hydrogen generator is huge. All my test is just in idle. I will get less results if the wheel is get rolling.